Hey, bisi mamoyo mambo vashet kuzinyero rukudzo zimunhu Miss V Barbara chinocheka Lokadhi yechidinga akurise Oh, anzina uyu zvisei petuponda rujeko muchacha zvisei hanzi ese kusekerera kunge munhu apinda murudo ukasasekerera unoseka hakuna munhu anozokubatsira kusekerera ka ukasasekererako unoguma uchisuwa everyday hakuna anombori nebasa nazvo kuti wasekererei kuti hauna ufanira kusekerera ayo dilila ayo Caroline Masebo zviri sei sitembeni kuri seiko akanibvesa lingi kuri seikoko ayo Jalo, hey, more blessing Rupondo. Fire child, Anna Mandijida, Chinaka Trace, kuri sei sei. Ay, yo, guys, ambokudzai zvenyu kusekera kutongosekera kubakwadzwa kuti pane musikana ari kuenda kumba mangwana guys kwete kuzimbabwe ka ari kuenda anogara kuSwaziland saka ndiwa ndatonongana imbotoita zvokutombotaura naye ndimuzwa kuti saka naiwe flight yako inonzi chii yauri kukwira anga chiranzi ndiri kukwira kwata ndichinda kutanga ndaona face kuti ndiani wandikutaura naye ghost nope alright ndakuona chimbomira uri imomomo chimbomira maybe zvimwe minutes zvishoma Yeah, yeah. La, 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 la. Guys, musikana ari kutoenda kumba mangwana. Saka ndati kuna nyasha iwo kana waenda kuairport unotsvaga ndege kuti Zimbabwe dziriko kana kuti hakuna. Nothing. I'm done. Ndabhore kugara kunena chani unozombonzwa kuti ndomboshingisa but ndabhore. I can feel kuti ndanyara manje. Ndauda kuenda kumbaini ndine kudya sadza nemubora hangu kana nemunyovi. Chadini. Saka ndoye musikana totota naye ndo anobva kuSwaziland. Saka chanzi mangwana kuti chitori confirmed kanzi yes because vekuembassy yake vakati hazviiti kuti mupe bepa rekuti apiwe yatakapiwa isusu. Nditofunga ipapa musi kusakapiwawo maextension tikanomabhadhara maextension acho. Uyu embassy yake ndofunga wangu achiziva kuti ndege dzedza kutofamba iyi. Uyu wakanyimwa akanzi nekuembassy kwakatikupi because ndege dzedziriko musi iyoyo. Ari kutoenda kuSouth Africa asi anopfuura nemuSouth Africa totora bhazi andoshandisa shuttle mahours kusvika kuSwaziland. Ari kutokwira mangwana guys. Ndati kuna nyasha iwe kana waenda ikoko unotsvaga kuti maprice kana maprice ariko unotsvagira kuti dziriko here ndege kana kuti hakuna dziri kundoyekera kuenda kuZimbabwe. Saka ndorera kunogoreresa here guys. Musikana akutoenda sefani zvakavanga mustudent akutonamba haachadi kugara kunoku. Kuna SA yakavhura mabhodha but Zim iri kushedzera chilevel 4 saka hakuna kupinda. Apa pandandatosirira ndatomubvunza ndatomboita research yangu because ndada kunzwa kuti ndezvipi zvimwe futi because ndamubvunza kuti macarolina test acho nahafa atotanzi totomboona imari imi don't tell me kuti achajwa $100 da kuona maton ati 3000 chi uzvifunga nawo ka andikudza price yacho ndikamudza kuti private yakati 3500 3800 dakucalculate toni 3000 katange 3800 but imari tozvifunga nawo. Jesus, what? I think uyaenda kuprivate kungodhodha kwangu so for 72 hours kakutonzi one to end. No, ndichaenda kundobvunza ini ndega pauyu kaikirikanimbobvunza 3500 ndo yandanzwa rega ndizvinyeperi 3500 but to aiwa ngandibvunze nyasha ndakangamwa ngandibvunze nyasha ndaindimufonere nyasha ndimubvunze kuti
Bluetooth waiting for pairing.
iwe chimbonyarara timboitaekera totombobvunza nyasha tabatwa nemweya weinvestigation. Sister Eunice zviri sei? Ya zvakaoma. Ndiani umwe wandakasiya zviri kudhura ndio price yacho ikondereshemi ndio price. Are you sure guys? Is that the price though? Zvinhu zvandiitira weird. Kujojerwa mumhino uku kwakutonzi 100 ndiyekera kungodzvungwa mwana wanga atovata nguva iwe usavate iwe tokuti online is hey ndishero ari kundiignore foni yangu asi chiripo online. $100 guys kungodhodhomodeyo apa kuzimu pane munhu akandiudza kuti anzibata 60 uchisvika uzimu but zvekunokwa zvingadero pamwe asi kugovernment kunogona kwakachipa though zvanga chinidza musikana asi ari kutokwira mangwana guys ndikutomuchiveni amuchivaring here guys toenda here kutobuda here muno munyika yeAsia tachitofara Chitofara kuzi anga achiti 2000 rands imari ngaticalculate futi 2000 rands to US dollars. 2000 rands. 2000 rands to US dollars. Zvimwe chete saka. That's 121 US dollars. Saka zviri kudhura saka price yacho. Uye zviri kudhura kudai. Is this so expensive? Kuma private here kana kuti kuekera. Nai mi sister ekera. Kuma private kana kuti kuma public. Pandikaenda kupublic vangandinyima here. Ndachanyatsa kuona message yangu. Kandidavira apa. Ndakunyatsa kufunga kuti ati 3.5 kwa 3.8 dakuconfirm. Kuri kundi ignore one naiwe. Kukana dai ndanda kutotsvira mumba. Kudai ndanga ndakuzvipisira munomba ndichida emergency. Muri kurongei? Really? I see. Kumusikana achiri momo murumu. Musikana kusazirira achiri momo. Eh? Asiri kuda kupuwa maleft over. Eh? Saka zvebhodhi yemunhu zvebasa rei? Ipoto, sipunu, mabrasho, magumbeze. Magumbeze pa-apartment. Iwe ndangada kuvhunza kuti ekera ndiri palive ka ndada kuvhunza kuti uyu ati zvoni kutestiwa kuti kuprivate ati mari da kucalculata da kumbotoona because ekuSouth Africa anga chinzanzi vari kutesta 2000 rands ndakangana kuti ati atanzi ndakatestiwa mari 3.5 ma-US dollars mangani miyachiendesa manje 3.5 but private handiti miyationa 3,500 baht to US dollars. That's 110 US dollars. Saka kuno ku private saka iri kuti 110 saka mina ndikuise paloud usazohomoka ndikuisa paloud daunzwa saka kana iri uyu iri 110 US dollars kunhingirikini ko inenge yabuda after atorwa nhasi kwamunotora nhasi Oh, saka vanenge vakutanga kukaunda maresults acho nekutanga nhasi ekati mangwana. Maresults ake acho vanenge vakutanga kuti 72 hours acho dzotanga nhasi ekati mangwana.
I think dzinotanga pabuda maresults. I'm not sure kuti anenge abuda nguva because panenge pabuda maresults ake ndo padzinotanga. Because kana vakati izvona 72 hours vachikaunda mangwana of which panokolekta mauya ake maresults anenge atogara abuda kudhara. So I doubt kana vachima ningirikina vachitanga kukaunda 72 hours pano makolect. I think my results are out by now.
So anonotora mangwana makuseni.
Yeah, anonotora mangwana makuseni because the flight is at 7 p.m. and we are going at the airport na 3.
Kuzvida chinewa hapana kana mufesi ari mubox vese vangori kucomment section zvavo vamhorese vamhorese
pane vanhu vari mubhokisi
no vari kukomenda pane 45 vari kuona saka ita mhorei 45 people.
Hey guys, how are you? It's Nyasha here. rutaura chirungu Anishero. Really? Rutaura chirungu man. So ari kunotora mari dzawo mangwana makuseni. So paanonotora mari dzawo mangwana makuseni ndokuupdata kuti zvinenge zvakamira sei. Because mangwana ndo patiri kuenda mangwana ndiri paairport ndichitora mapicture paairport. Vangu vanondifonera vakanditi ingwa dzokera kumba.
Zvenyu sha utsvage Ethiopian Airways.
Alright, ndichatarisa Ethiopian Airways kuti inenge ichiita mari zvakamira sei.
Airibo hanzi naAna Mandizvidza uri sei, Vasheti kuZinyero uri sei, Zvikanzi naSister Unit uri sei, Ana Mandizvidza akumhoresa futi kandiche ndichipina.
Hospital yanotorwa mauyu naNelly is a private. Yeah.
Tichaenda kuno manje da kuti unovabvunza kutoti yenenge ukangondiudza kuti ndege dzakufamba then tindobvunza kwepovhu kuti kwepovhu imari.
Because I think anogona kutora time. It's under 1,000. Anti-public abvunza akati is under 3,000 and they took time kuti abude.
Have kuno ndinosvika ndikanochema musodzi ndinochemera.
Zvandakaita last time pandakaenda ndichigwadziwa negumbopaya.
Bolini madhananga because vanoteswa vangani naiwe COVID yacho kuno karona yacho vashoma shoma. Ndinokombera plus kune mbonedza ndinokombera kune one private pa next one yacho kungocrossa kudai so nditokukombera maprice avo.
I think zvinenge kuri cheaper. Andakakuudza even pandakaenda ndikanikira ndikanodiswa chigunwe paya. It was actually cheaper than this side.
Kabviswa chigumwere.
Nzwara. Yoyo nzwara yepachigunwe.
Yakazobuda.
Nditombopfeke bhutsu dzakavhurika ndiudzewo maneja angu anonyadzisa pano.
Kune kuda
kana nzwara iwe yakabuda yakashata shamari kubuda nzwara yebrown yakaita black. Mumba manela muna kana chikafu chamari ndambenda chipa muchazoona kana madomasi. When you finished everything, imagine.
Iwe unoda usirwa kuti zviite sei?
Ofyasika semunhu wevanhu at least ukaenda unosvika uchiti aufa maleftovers chichi. No, I didn't leave anything, like anything, because I knew like halfway through September that I'm leaving. So I never bought a lot of things. You hear her, right? You hear what she said? She said she knew that she's going to leave in October, so she didn't buy any groceries. But guess what? She did a part for us. She bought a big cake. Actually, she said it fell. And everyone was enjoying cake. And me, I'm on diet. I didn't even eat that cake. Imagine.
That's what I say. We are Borajori.
What does that mean? That's what she said. She's boring.
Oh, yeah, Bora, she's boring. Yeah, I can testify to that.
Really?
Yes.
Really? But I'm just telling you, Kutinelli bought a cake for us. Like, when vachitaura my sweet words, my farewell words, and actually it was nice. But she's going, people were crying. I was like, oh my God, don't cry, guys.
You also cried. Nah, Nelly, who cried? Tell me the truth. If Nyasha cried, those tears were crocodile tears. How can she just cry like that?
Oh my God.
Did she cry? Did she cry? Nyasha cried. This Nyasha, the tall one, cried.
But Shero, why?
Give me an example of the cry. No, it's a no.
It was a silent one.
Ooh.
Crying, Shero.
What about Muhammad? Did he cry?
Leave that one.
What was he doing? He was comforting everyone.
He was washing dishes. He was washing dishes, Mohammed. Everyone was busy, and him was like, "Let me just do my dishes, maybe." That I'm just sending angels to protect you. He actually said, "I'm sending angels."
So who else cried? Who? Vanessa cried. Maybe Vanessa, yes. Who else?
Family cried.
You
cried.
Like, how did he cry? Like, ho ho ho, or what?
You know, they were just, those tears, right? It was just a silent cry.
The fake one.
It wasn't fake.
Nyasha, tell the truth and shame the devil. Why were you crying? Tell me.
Yes, because I was hurt that Nelly is leaving. I'm actually hurt that she's leaving. Imagine.
Nyasha, you're fake, my sister. Nyasha, let me tell you the truth. If you don't cry the day I will leave, I am telling you, that's the end of our situationship. If you don't drop tear, don't actually, Nyasha, you should not even sniff. You should not even do the silent one. You should scream at the airport. For our yes, you should cry the day before, the day after, the day after. You should cry. I will see, because how can you just cry a sniffing one? That's a sniffing.
Okay, I will cry actually.
Don't.
But the day that you're leaving, I'm going to cry. Like, that loud one, right?
No, I think it's good if you cried for Nelly. That's normal, because Nelly is a sweet pie. A sweet pie, soft one. I'm sure she also cried. She was so touched. Serious. But if I see you crying for me, that will be I don't know.
Please, that one is going to be painful more. Like,
no, I would rather prefer my Muhammad cry rather than you. I want to see my Muhammad crying for me.
Please, that one will never cry. Leave Muhammad.
He should force them. He should.
Leave my friend. That one he will not cry. He'll be like my wife.
Yeah.
My wife.
His only wife in Thailand is leaving.
You'll be like my wife.
And I'll be like my husband, goodbye.
He wasn't feeling well.
Every day, yeah.
That one was for yesterday. It wasn't a lie. Hey,
why?
I actually look at the temperature. I can get from oven.
Jesus, mune thermometer.
Yes. Corona.
Zvikazodipa ya. Achiswima.
Achina ku 7-Eleven unotsvaga chikafu. Oh my God. And it's actually raining, like really, really, really heavy rain. And then he was out. I was like, why are you out? And he said,
Azi, Shiro nasikutaura chasa mudenga kufunga chirungu. Iwe chirungu achiuye nachirauka. Unofana kuchifunga chibva mudenga. Chirungu unofana kuchidzakasa nemaziso chamwari. Nemusikana wekuyekera nemusikana wekuswaziland kamukaladi so chirungu chacho neufana kuti wachifunga wazochidzikisa baba. English yakaoma guys. English, don't joke around with the English yo. Hamna kunzwa ngwaitanzi even me this nano chikolo ndinogona kungoticha English. Chakaoma guys.
She was teaching English. Yes.
No, I wasn't. I was teaching maths. Why? Why are you laughing?
Why are you changing that?
Why are you laughing, guys? I was teaching maths. I'm serious. I was taking maths and physics.
Yeah, what a big achievement. Physics.
So you guys, you don't trust me or? So Nelly, you're gonna leave your Thai boyfriend here.
And you know she has a handsome guy here. Like I was, oh my god.
From where?
From where is he from? Now she doesn't want to say. The guy from Ethiopia.
Wow.
And he's so cute.
Wow.
I'll give him your number, Cheryl. No.
Wow. Me? No. He will follow you. He will follow you.
Yes. You know the time that I came back from work, I met him downstairs and I was like, hi. He was like, Nyasha, Nelly's going. Then I was like, you can just follow her to Swaziland. He was like, I'm just waiting to finish Stanford. After I'm done with Stanford, then I'll go to Swaziland. Definitely I'm going to marry her. And I was like, do you know how expensive it is to marry like a Southern African girl? And she was like, I know, that one I don't even mind. And then he was like, and Nelly was just blushing. I was like, Nyasha, oh my god. I was like, Nelly.
Nelly is a sweet pie. A sweet potpourri.
I was like, Nelly. So I was like, oh my god, Nyasha, stop it. I was like, why should I stop? Me, I'm supposed to interview this guy. If he was playing with you or not.
Oh, that's so nice, guys. That's so cute. Anyway, bye-bye. Chirungu changu chaku expire. Nelly, my English is evaporating. Safe Jen.
My English bundles are better. It happens to one of us.
Ayo, bye. Bye-bye. See you. Safe Jen. All the best.
Bye.
Coolies. Kata.
Okay.
Chikate.
Iwe.
English, you know, this was supper urapa. Englosher. Ishakoma. Handise lingi timbona. Totinde kushona. Guys, ngapasa tomboya munhu akachitaura chirungu apa. English iri kurwadza. English is painful. Blessing chiuya. Baby, kurise. There are 2 minutes pasina pinda then ndobva ndakata. Guys, it's not as easy as you think. Many vamwe vakapusirwa nacho hapo, but yeah, it's not easy. Guys. Yeah, they deplete. Ananzani takambodayo so ndakakamboita interview ndakatipa interview nanyasha ndikatanga kuita chikesefi chekutaura chirungu ndikati unopenga ndakatanga kuita chikesefi chekuchitaura mai mwana ndikati too late handidi it's too late ndini zvangu ona manje. But anyway, chirungu chogwadza guys. English is difficult. ndakaitwa English yeproject, ndakaitwa interview nanyasha yeproject yavo ndizuro here kwandiswera zuro. Ndibva ndatanga ndati aiwa ndisa face yangu ndogona kuzonyara. Apa yava English chete, waipera kutaura nechirungu. Tanga kuikira taingotaura ndikati isu handifaniri kuti ndikatasa face yako ndogona kunyara kana kutanga kubatwa nesenzwa ndozviita ndobatwa nesenzwa vataura nanyasha. Saka vatangoita interview yane ndinhasi kuti next week paari kutofanira kuita presentation. I think it's next week. Achindibvunza zveYouTube. Ndikatoita interview mai mwana. Handakanyengeda interview. Inaitoni pane zvandiri kuona something wrong. Pane something wrong. Wait a second, guys. Cool. What happened? Imagine.
Fine like this.
You want Izinto, my sister?
I'm fine like
What happened? You want Izinto? You want Izinto? Izinto? Nyasha.
Hello?
Nyasha. Aswapuwa dhuku kani.
Let me connect my Wi-Fi.
Alright. That aswapuwa dhuku na neti.
I'm trying to reconnect.
Guys, nasi ndatotadza kubika kamoza. I failed to cook. Corona. Nekuti ndanzwa kuti pane mwari kutobuda muThailand achienda kuAfrica. Zvangu zvinombokwidza. Ndombosvika fota ndomboti ndogara. Ndonzwa kuti mwakubuda kwenda ndotanga kuti mwangu wajunguluka. Ndanga kuti homesick. Ndozongoti nazvo maka. Ndomboshingirira. It's not easy, guys. Ndosaka vachiti it's easier said than done. Vanenge vachitorevesa pepe vachitaura chirahwe ichocho. Ndati aswapuwa dhuku naNeli.
Hey. Yes, ndapuwa dhuku na. Shero ndeyangu.
Wakatenga sheti yakafanana neyangu wewe.
Iyi sheti yangu yandakagirwa nemukameruni yakandakatengerwa naKaren. Cheka mabhegi ako. Sheti yangu yane makore.
Topedza live ndakutoicheka. Ndotorevesa. Ndakutoicheka ndakutokuudza kuti ndazoiwana yakandikawana energy. Ndikasawana mangwana ndotoifuma ndichitsvaga. Ndisi kutomboriwa nhema. Tione paruoko zvako.
Iwe. This is my shirt.
Yangu ine red. Yeah, iri different. Zvakafanana though.
Ndauya kune munhu ari kurongedza. Mabhegi atorongedzwa mana one.
Ane mangani?
You want to show people? Hana mabhegi ana kana luggage imagine. Ndenda tomupa mabhegi angu aenda nawo kuma. I'm a very organized person. I don't want Shemarians. She's done packing. And she knows she must have a bed. Yes, she is.
Come salad, Nelly. Salad, Nelly. Salad, Nelly. What are you going to leave for me? Can you leave something for me? Can you leave something for me?
You breaking. The network is.
I am breaking.
Yes, it's her net. It's our network actually.
Our network is poor.
I don't want to stand next to Nelly. If I sit next to Nelly, please, people would think I'm very, very black. Let me tell you guys, Nelly, she's so light. If I sit next to her, please, people would think that I'm very, 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 very black. No. Look at her.
Look at her. Guys, look at her. What happened? What she was doing. I don't know what she was doing. Are you? Anga kutena laptop yake on. So saka patena laptop on. Yabva yaenda ku YouTube.
Asi wakamuruka.
Yeah, ndakamuruka.
Ingane kakachena. Wakamuruki.
Twist ngairebe Shamari kusvika kuno kusasuka. Expression Shamari isina naombochekwa, imagine. Yakasvika kuno kusasuka.
Akakuta expression wakaiwana kupi expression.
Akabva naye kumba, anga ine mabraids kubva kumba. Akabva kumba muna machika. Saka tinombobvira taenda kuchikoro since paakabva kumba muna machi. So angangori nemabraids umba.
Asiya mamwere.
Asiya, darling, imagine. I've suffered to do someone's hair and she just left only one packet of darling braids.
Tell the people what happened.
What happened? Nelly, be my snitch, please. Snitch her. Snitch this person.
Can I explain?
Yes, explain. I can't see you properly. Yes.
This is half of my head, and I used 5 packets of darling. Can you imagine? 5. It's half, guys. 5.
Can you untie your braids? I want to see.
Okay.
She cut her hair like on the sides, and then she left this part. So I have to do this part, and that part, like, yeah, 5 packets. It wasn't expression, it was telling.
The girl's coming from abroad. Yeah. Very long. They are actually very, very long.
It's actually half of my.
It's half of her head. Imagine.
Hey, but they look nice on you.
Thank you, Cheryl.
Welcome. I'm jealous.
Bye. Why jealous?
Ndakazenge ndakutukwa pano paindaneti kushata kwangu kwese nekuti haundinakisi ukuzoona. Sure. Ndakapusa plus andiwane munhu anondiruka saka ndinongotukwa nyangwe netome njeri ndongotukwa nahwisa ndongotukwa tasaona nyangwa dzekwamushore ndichitukwa iwo uripo honapa wakuruka musikana wayo ari kuenda uko kune vanhu vanoturuka futi inini sisi vako ndiri panapa uchindisiya ndakadai ndatokuudza pavanhu vazizive kuti it's your fault kana ndozotukwa. Nyashatona udzoke futi. Mina ndiyeke mira yange yafrisa.
Bye guys, bye. Night. Tigadzire kuenda kuairport pangwana.
Yo, hey, stop flying, my sister.
Then Rico airport. Then you know me, Sharon, right? Then I got to channel like someone who wants to go somewhere.
Wow, Nyangadza. Nyangadza.
Mama channel like someone who wants to get. Then I got to channel that Rupirandik.
No problem. Ndichatombotika watomboti unibate musoro wangu because wakaramba wandiruka iko zvine zvindangonzi he rakashata he rakaita sei
komana ndotoenda kuairport ngongotora mapikicha
usingadiruke 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 nandimuridzira Nelly song une Jolo City wewe hauna kumboti Nelly ngatimuplayere song Nelly
she doesn't know how
for you here
she doesn't know how to dance. And I'm a terrible dancer.
It's okay.
She said she's a terrible dancer.
It's okay, no problem.
Yes.
Okay. Nelly, goodbye. Oh, Nelly, I'm nyama. Today,
today people are not selling alcohol. We wanted to pop champagne. Yo, okay.
Goodbye.
She's dancing.
Dance, Nelly. Goodbye. Goodbye. South Africa. Farewell. There is another one ya unofarira nyasha mbira tichombomuridza
Thank you.
ndiyo ya unofarira kainyasha.
Yes. Nelly.
Neza uyifoni yangu ameme. Iwe bajosa. Mlatende pane kutedi wani iyo. Ayo. Ayo.
Icho.
Katama. Mira, last one.
My English bundles are expired.
This is the last one. This is dedicated to you, Nelly. Oye. Go well. Nelly, well. Nelly, yeah. Nelly, oh, Nelly, go well. Nelly, travel. Nelly, travel. Nelly, travel.
So where are you from?
Why you asking you to vocalist me? I didn't even ask you for your support. Why are you doing?
Why are you frowning? Why?
Why are you?
Don't be jealous. Why are you frowning?
No. Why are you disturbing my lyrics? You want people to see you. They see my voice.
I'm just remixing your lyrics.
No, you are messing it up.
Really?
But I ndaimba ndaita musingo zvangu. I sing with passion. Yes.
With passion. Yes.
Yes.
You did well.
Watonditevaraidza papa nhasi ndatoti chatoti one down. Mangwana tichidero kusvika nguva yacho yekuzobhuruka yainda.
Yes, Matsumai, yes.
Maybe bosha mwana.
My English bundles are expire kumara kunovata. Ndoita usiku wesochimbota
7-11 padhuze. 7-11 padhuze.
Padhuze hapo ka basi andanga nafunda kwakafladza kwakuri kunaya.
Oh, uyandibikira wakasadza.
Saka panje pa mira nduye.
Ndasiwa akasupu kakwaita kekastew neuyu kanongonhuhwirira mumhino mangu chete asi handigoni kukabika.
I've seen my glasses. Ndaona chekutoramba munhu. I've seen. Ndaona chekutora mukasi nandakamapfeka musandibvunze edwe.
One anokupita. Ipapo chienda baba eka nditokatawo live yangu ndione kuti ndizorora.
Bye guys, good night.
Munhu wako nyasha wetukuti ndakazopedzisira kumuona paunga uri kunoko handichaiti ndakuita zvetaxi. Ndoenda kuita nezvayo.
Mazodo bapezimate.
Hey, ndoifonera pazuro ndakazopuhwa ngane rafu akatanga kupopota ndanga ndisina mari yacho yaida kuti ndibhadhare muwallet iwe akandipopotera tasvika kurobison.
Wakati kumudza kuti mira uno withdraw.
Ndakangomusiya akadero ndakati I don't care whether he likes it or not, anongoimirira mari yacho.
Paita handsome. Paita handsome. Nelly, come and see. You have to see this one.
Yes, my sister.
Kubvisi dzoka pakamera watizei.
Uri kundisekera.
Kuseka nani?
Okay, I'm back. What you say? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. And yourself?
I'm well blessed.
I can see that. Nice, my gogoros.
Nelly is preparing her hair.
No, it's itchy. Guys, I've never seen Nelly like this. Jesus Christ. Guys, I've never seen Nelly like this, guys. Really? Nelly, just come, Nelly. Nelly, come here. Come, Nelly. Come.
Where is it itching? Where is that thing you were tying? Where is that thing you were tying? Tie that one. It's nice. The blue one.
I removed it.
No, put it back.
Why did you remove it?
Huh?
Oh, now I have to fix some.
No, put it. It looks nice. He wants to see.
I want to see it. Can you please put it on?
Just
I want to see it.
Guys, Nelly, just come back. Just come back, Nelly.
Ndasungi. Ndiadi. Yatidzokera kuSwaziland. Apa kuya padhuze neweka. Noza.
What?
Ari kuya paSwaziland.
PaSwaziland. Anongodarikira anongouya zoburukira airport yekunoko kudhuze.
Iwe hauzodi kumushanyira.
Ndomushanyira akauya ndonomutora kuairport. Don't worry.
I want to ngaenda kumbaka mozotaurira. Yes, I am.
Ndomperekedza.
Show him. Yes. Swazikawa.
Wow, you look so gorgeous. You are so gorgeous. I can see.
Thank you, Bim. Thank you, Bim. I'm so sweet. Jeremy, what are the things that you do? The things that you do, Cheryl.
That's so nice. I do nice things, eh?
Yeah, you deserve an award, Nyana. This one's shy.
Why is she shy?
A long time, Iwe. Seriously.
Wow,
You look very different now, Iwe.
How? In a good way or a bad way?
No. You're always looking, Luka, Kaiwe. Why for the name?
Shame. Item Shara. Hi, Shara.
This guy.
Team Shero.
Did he say Rukundin's guy?
Andikunzwa aiwoyu duku unasa unaenda ubasa.
Nditofana ndiri kushanda izvezvi panditamsikanzwa.
Yesu kunyashatiza. Nashowainda. Ega angu ndisari nemini ndichita interview. Wow, wakakwana naiwe. You munakakupa anogona.
Thanks, Shero. Mukadzi wekuwenzi Senegal, I think.
Zvakanaka.
Yeah. Looks nice. Yo. Can you bring it closer to Anne?
Bring it closer.
She's like, yeah, just bring it closer. I want to see.
Wow. I was Shakanaka.
Looks nice.
Thanks,
guys.
Long time.
I was long time. Ukuna ndokuziva. Nyango kachinja Esther say ndokuziva.
Chero ndakapinda ndiri chigosi rikundiziya.
Ndotokuziva kuti ndiwe. Chimbotaura na B uyu. B taura
kana. Ndozvaanoita chero inini ndikapinda ndisina picha. Unoona anongobva ati Esika ne B.
Akatoboti Esi chero andidedza nezita rako chairo.
Yo. Anenge anotoita kugara nema-contact ewanhu kutoti uyu akafona uyu nitofanira kutoapia kuti this person ndini.
Ndona ndine memory pamwe ndine memory yemafaces iri sharp. Imagine uyu akabhoya akaverikwa like zvanga zvini zvakadaiwo so anofitwa zvakobva ndafarira izvi zvisingaite zvakanaka.
Akangofitwa nezvaari. She looks gorgeous though.
Thank you.
Mind me today. I'm just commenting, me. I'm just commenting.
Yes.
Dear new crush.
No, macrush aka expire panenge zinge ndakutukirwa macrush acho kuFacebook. Saka akabva expire. Ndakazomapiwa. Ndikudze. Mine nditokuitira gowa ndega kana ungosiri updated. Ndakazoenda sei amene maghost akakunditira vakanditira vandandovhurirwa page iwe vandatanga kunzi uri kuhura nemurume wemunhu waningi iye crash uye wamemwana nyaya ikaita escalate iwe yaita escalate ikati Jesus is Lord ndikatoseka nyaya yacho ndibva yatora chapichigori maiwe ikatozondisvika kwainga isingafani kusvika tikati no problem, go ahead. Saka tikazongoti sikapataitaurana namama wangu because zvataita zviye zvese nedhina tatakataurira maparents angu vaizviziva mabrothers angu vaizviziva kusaidi kwakewo futi tatakavaudza because ndo zvataiavoida izvozvo kuona umwe mwana ndagadzirwa page for that ndikati what thing will be this now bva yazongoita sei ndangosiyanawo nazvo bva yangozo expire nyaya yacho saka mai angu akabva no mutambo wacho kana wadero hauchanakidze saka takabva tabva tati aiwa ngau expire wakabva waexpire our thing chainakidza chiya shamwari chakazo expire. Yes. My mom wakati no ngachi expire kana zvakudero saka chaka expire.
Wow, inga vanhu avaiti.
Haiwa zvitori normal zvimwe zvichatouya futi.
Zviri normal. Inga unongoziva kuti zviri normal.
Of a celebrity, I guess.
Sanda celebrity. Ndoita celebrity ndiri mumadziro ebrown.
Wato celebrity sha kumadziro ebrown ana basa neutano. You can be a celebrity uchigara mumukuku unoziva.
Zvakabasa kupa mukuku wangu andakapenda nebrown. You never know.
You see? And now you all over the world. You're not just like in wherever you are right now, but you all over the world. So you see, it's not about.
Fire.
Because I haven't been for my life for a while, right?
Like
I haven't.
Why? That's the question. That's the first question. Why?
Because of work and all of that, life.
Come on, you work 24/7.
I don't work 24/7, but
I'm really taking that side for Shara because I really support her. So I want to ask you, do you really work 24/7?
Don't. Like I said, I don't work 24/7, but it just got really busy at work. And
you were not busy. I think you were busy with something.
And I was what? Sorry, what did you say?
I said you weren't busy there to the extent that you couldn't even come for even one video show.
No, I mean, like, typically I don't come, like, I don't, what's the word? What do they call it? Come online and...
Like on a studio.
Yeah. Typically I'm detailed, Jojo.
But you should. Okay, from today, can you please come into the studio? We would love to see into the studio. We would love to see different hairstyles, just everything different.
Most of the time I'm doing studio and then go to my terrace because then but yeah, I haven't been in a while, so I was wondering where is Admire and all of that, and I didn't know kwakune drama yeseyakaitika ku Facebook.
It was a big one. Wow. Massive.
But manje mkhomba wangu pachiri kuya here manje pama live.
I think it was just fair kuti timboekera because kana because ndakaudza mai vangu kuti ndo zvaiitika, so unofanira kuteerera maadvice emaparents.
Oh,
no? As much as ndinakidza kutambawo hangu, but kana vangotisiyana nazvo zvino unozongoramba uchikanganisa pamwe iye wachoni pache zvake, waona manje. I'm prone kuti ndichange ndichiramba ndichitukwa zvakasimba in future, waona. Saka I'm prepared for that. Last week ndakatukwa futi one and life goes on.
Anzichi
izvi hazvina basa, unogona kuzongonotsvaga masiku zviriko. Ndakatukwa zvekuenda chaiko, but takangotoseka nezvazvo tikangoti life goes on. Saka tikutoexpecta kuti saka zvichitodero it means kuti kumberi richange richitukwa nekunyorwa futi, saka ndo yatoo life yacho.
Sonorwadza nekutukwa.
And as a celebrity.
Sarwadziwa nekutukwa.
No, singe ipapo here mina ndikudze patikatozwa kuti tofonerwa, ndakatofonerwa kuma-AM ndikati what? Kati alright, mina ndimbopesa hope dzangu because mandifonera ma4 AM ndobva ndatombovata ndazombuka ndikati mamuchiti chiko zvikazi zvakazvanga ndezvazvo izvi, ndobva ndatonotsvaga nice breakfast ndikaridhinza kune zvekuseka ndadero, bva ndatosura kuti chitombofuura nemabrothers angu tikati don't even worry, handisitombori ndokutorekodha ne6 maclips that day. Musi wacho unenge uri kwamadhirama ndobva ndarekodha more clips, ndobva ndapedza mamwe nekunopina acho andichitukirwa cho ndobva ndapedza ndokunorya nice dinner kumall.
Yes, girl. Yes.
Wow.
Yes, I support. And you know what? Kutuka and all of you know, there's never anything called bad publicity. You know, it's good that you record, you keep it moving, because vanani go to Google Shema TV.
It won't like now I think pane zvesha pane one zvakangondibata, but because zvakubva kune munhu wangu maybe angari close kwandiri chete, but anyway zvakangobva zvapfuura ngati aiwa zvataurika kana zvataura zvikadai no problem, so zvese mberi kwazvana basa.
Yeah, just say the more they do it, the more you put on the videos.
Exactly.
But
otherwise, the more they come to criticize.
Amene muchainkludwa mukanotukwa not.
She's my celebrity, guys.
But otherwise, say,
are you a celebrity?
No,
this is celebrity.
I'm a celebrity to my God. I'm a celebrity to my God.
Not at the same level, so you're not
Nah, Shema, this could include. Shema, you are a celebrity. It's also anyway, you see. So
what you want
on that higher level.
YouTube ndikatanga YouTube live yangu antombowana kana 5 people pana
taura but iye akangotanga live now pasina within 5 minutes anenge atone vanhu zvekuma 40-50 or paanozopedza zvekuma about 10 to 20 minutes maybe I got to about maybe 100 or 200 people. You see?
Exactly.
ma 200 aiitika pa-lockdown because vanhu vonga vasingaende kubasa saka taita ndara zisingaite iko nezvimanje.
But I remember that other time. I remember that other time. It should be last week, I think. There were about 254, if I'm not mistaken.
Wow.
Remember when we had a live with what's his name? Who was that guy? Alexio,
my friend that Kunogo.
Yeah.
And that other ones.
Of that one was
we had about 256. I checked them, and you were like,
wow.
Shoo, this lady just a night video call, just to talk.
Yeah.
250 people are just joining up.
Yeah.
But lockdown,
means that you are a celebrity.
Takamboshika pa 500.
That's kind of 500.
Papa pamujeto ayo manje idecember 500 because weva mujeto ndotoita online dinner date iya.
Second, I want to know. I'm pretty sure my borders are opening up soon, and I know Kuti, you're itching to go back to Zimbabwe. What are your plans? What are you planning on doing when you get home?
More. Don't worry, we've got more things to come. Pachema TV.
Excited. I'm so excited.
Jimbo secret. So
curiosity kills us. Curiosity kills us. Can you please just give us a hint?
Ndofarira maresults. So what I can say, like ndiri munhu yanongoda like izvo zvandingori izvizvi ndo zvandongo prefer nguva simple. Ndichita zvinhu zvangu kuseri zvangu. That's what I prefer. Maybe ndo zvandiri, I don't know. So pandosvika kuZimbabwe, I'm promising you will see a lot of changes. That much I know.
Wow.
We can't wait to see that.
Exactly. Not now, but pane zvachakupai.
Right. I'm going to try to guess, but you don't need to tell me if I'm right or wrong. But I'm guessing, Kutijan, you may have like a studio. Well, not have an own studio, but have a studio where you're record your gossip makwako videos. So I'm guessing could pane professional videographer akatokuti ntoshanda tese and kwanika nice, it's the only green room.
Green room or a white room.
All these I'm a vendor man on the Zimbabwe, but vanobuda pa Instagram ivapo anodresa na Madam Boss. Vanenge vachikudresa uchiita zvemakuwa ako, and then you be like, this video is proudly sponsored by whatever. But
one of the toppest guys should be, actually we cannot say a toppest guy there. We're going to be like supported by one. We can say not one, maybe by more.
Yeah, I think so.
We're going to be supported by more.
Yeah, and running like advertiser through you because they know you have a following, you have a big Zimbabwean following. So you diaspora my groceries will probably sponsor your videos. Am I predicting? I'm predicting you've spoken about a number of Brazilian chichi I'm sure what up marketing up. What talk about I see guys there's a fake.
I receive.
Kana kuita zvezve India. Because she will be showing off because she already got an Indian mark.
I'm dead. That's so
Indian. Don't about my imagination.
And then what else? Can I just my ideas? I go to your other ideas. Other ideas. I think you know what, Shara, it would be so nice if you did like interviews, because I've watched like some of your interviews, like with the Radio Pamo, your cast with Passion Java and all of that. And what I like about your interviews, and they're very like relaxed. They're so funny. You know, they're not your serious dingy type of interviews. So it'd be nice if
Though they are funny, but they really inspire sometimes. When you listen to the stories,
you make your
you can be inspired by them.
exactly make like my guest circle so comfortable, chichichi. So it'd be nice if you have like, let's say Ginimbi, right? And you'd be like, "Was can one work planning for Chishaka my Burkina Faso?"
No, offside. Change your story.
Offside. Offside. You went offside there.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
But you're good at interviews. You're
Yeah,
very
I
good at
was
interviews.
say,
You should take interviews seriously.
that's
Like, ugatora pana wewe and panotanzi hello Mari whatever. Those guys, which way it was my interview. And those guys another way we are looking forward kuti zininge ziri mberi.
yeah.
Not like Patiri Israel, but you will be one of those top ladies. These are the ladies on YouTube that have made.
For sure. Already there.
You'll be called a Zimbabwean hero for that.
Jesus.
Yeah.
You'll
be a hero for Zimbabwe.
I receive.
So maybe
I'm hearing it.
What do you guys think Shero is going to do? Tell your ideas. But I think that we may have a Shema talk show.
I don't know.
It will be Shema talk show, Shema teachings. What else?
Me teaching.
She have
teaching what?
Yeah, not teaching about maybe being a teacher. No, just teaching like you got a talent of saying something like the way you are. It's like the first day that I was on your videos, I was like, this lady, can she really talk like this? And I was like, I can see. You're actually a teacher on the other side. If you don't really see it in you, you are a teacher on the other side. Maybe you can say you're a comedian, but you're not really a comedian, but you're a teacher to other people out there, especially like us. You really teach. We're going to give you a certificate. We're going to give you a certificate. Don't worry. I'll give you a certificate for that.
You want to give me a certificate?
Of teaching.
My comment section,
what?
Oh.
B comes across as a ladies' man. Are you a lady? B, tell us. You really? I've seen you on live sometimes. I'm like, why is this guy speaking like this? Like, is he trying to get all the girls? What's going on?
No, not really. Okay, let me tell you why I really speak like this.
Yeah.
Sometimes I really try myself to speak in a normal way, but it's inside me. Okay, let me tell you how I grew up, so maybe that you can understand. Okay, from the day one, this first day, I was born. I was staying in Newlands, a place called Newlands. If you really remember a place in Zimbabwe called Newlands. I was born there. I was staying in there. The people that I was staying with, we couldn't like speak our mother language like Shona, because I never stayed with my parents like forever. My mother would go somewhere, my father would go somewhere, and I would stay with my nephews. But my nephews were like white people, you see. So I grew up in a white people family. I'm not a white, but I'm a black, not a white. I'm a black.
You have
black Zimbo. Black Zimbo. But I lived with white people from day one until today. I'm still with them. So
wait, so
I
what
try.
got to do with
Shona, I do talk Shona, but my Shona is not that perfect. It's not that perfect, but I really talk Shona.
I'm guessing you're trying to explain your accent to us, right?
I tried to pull it out into English to my mother language because everyone was like, "Hey, speak your mother language. You're not a white person. Speak your mother language." I'm like, "Okay, I will try," but no, it's hard for me because I never learned Shona ever.
So you don't know how to speak Shona?
I do how to speak Shona, but it's not like perfect. I can speak Shona, but most of the words, it's like the jump. I can say maybe like if I need to put a V, I'll maybe put a W or something.
See,
but
I find that
to me, it will make sense.
Gotcha. I find that very interesting because, firstly, I find that interesting about white Zimbabweans. Firstly, you know, especially when Manokurira Harare, right? I think there's so much Shona around that you can learn the language if you really want to.
I love to learn Shona, like in Zimbabwe.
Shona, and unfortunately, also I do think that there's a thing of people looking down on speaking in Shona. I know growing up, you know, kundakakurira kuZimbabwe, and you know, like my parents, like my mom took me to like private schools and stuff, but it was so that we get like the English. It was important for them to tell the Chirungu and have my accents and all of that. And that's because I feel like people back home, manotarisira pasi Shona. I don't know. What do you think, Cher? You're not paying attention. That's why
Cheryl, stop laughing.
I feel out of place.
You feel blessed.
But you know what?
I feel out of place.
Cheryl. It's like, you know, like you, Cheryl, on my right, okay, on my left, or no, whatever, Tim Cheryl. Your accent it's like a proper colored, like somewhere there. You don't really sound like a Zimbabwean.
I know.
No, not you, Cheryl.
Accent, are you sure? Why are you insulting me?
You are a pure Zimbabwean. You are a pure Zimbabwean. A pure Zimbabwean.
But both are adopted the colored one.
I know you're a poor Zimbo, but no, your accent doesn't sound that way, man. Like, you know what? The one thing that I really know is Ningerekeni, what do you call it? Zimbabweans, we really blessed. So we easy to speak languages like other languages. If you go to any country, we learn fast because I don't know, they call us Mazimbo and what do you call it? One brain. On that, yeah, English I can do Karadona, but yeah, somewhere there. Ini yangu ndiye mushona. They're too mbose kashero. Yeah, you see, Shema, you see, Anzi Muria on the Kumakala.
We don't speak in Shona. You insult our own dialogue. You keep speaking in English. And you be Shona, you're going direct to direct. What is it?
What is what?
Anyways, B, you didn't answer the question Yavunzwa earlier on, which is, are
No,
you?
I didn't hear the question. What was it about?
I'm very happy to repeat the question for you, sir. The question is,
Don't call me sir. Don't call me sir.
I'm just being respectful.
Come on, don't be respectful for something that is not it. Call me B.
Okay, B. I will
Thank you.
for you, B.
All right.
Are you single? The girls want to know if they can shoot.
Bye.
If they can shoot.
My camera died.
He's not single. He's not single.
Okay, what you saying?
Are you talking to someone?
No.
No.
I'm alone.
No, when I'm saying are you talking to someone is, do you have like a crush that you are?
Oh yeah, I'm seeing someone. Yeah.
There we go. Okay. So you're at that place where you're not taken, but you're not single.
Unfortunately, like, I can say
that in between place, which you could.
I'm like this. I'm in between.
In between.
I can either walk this way or walk this way.
God. Yeah, so you are in between. Okay. Actually, you know what's interesting? I always wonder when people are in that kind of space, can you talk to other girls?
Okay, let me just tell you something of myself.
Yeah.
I can talk to other girls.
Yeah.
But I'm just a person that
talking
really...
to me. He's talking to me, right?
I know you share Robert. Okay, can you nyenga? Can you nyenga other girls?
All right, okay, let me tell you. Okay, as I was saying,
That's a bit of that.
Yeah.
You found your match. Pa Instagram,
okay, you see, all right, let me tell you something.
Here's a Sandra.
Hi.
Shedza Sandra ndo yekera ndo username rakere ku Instagram B kamoda kuzopedza kukweshana chimbokweshana zvenyu panapa bozonopedzerana kuseri kuzononyatsa kukweshana.
I know but yeah, I can talk, but I'm just a person where it's like, okay, I would call myself what?
I
got respect for ladies. I'm shy for ladies, but I can talk. But I don't know. I just take myself not too far to be in something that I don't want to be, because I know how ladies are, because I know I've been through a lot. So sometimes I really cut myself by saying, okay, I would rather say, let me keep quiet and let people say. What is that?
What is it?
That is, I was doing it.
Chichi Dokagani. That I feel out of place. You guys, you're looking so cute, girl.
Oh, come on, you're looking beautiful.
No. Chichi and
Depi. Chichi Shamari.
Chichi dzoka ndiongo achigona kugrilla B uyu, otherwise anogrilliwa nani. Satizozii mibvunzo inovhunzana masalad. Tinotoizivira pano.
Chibisa chinhu wakapfeka izvo.
No, kana adzoka ndozowekera. Kana adzoka kuchicha ndepi? Chichi?
Chichati.
Oh, kuchichatizirei? What happened to Chichi Naimi? Oh.
Abuda.
Ngandise lingi kudai dona. Anga achikugona iwewe. Unombozviita shangwiti.
Aiyo, ndazviita shangwiti papi nayo man.
No, not in a bad way, but I think in Nasimanga Mamecha, you know what I mean? My personal traits in your nature, your background amateur, your symposiums amateur. So she's the only person anga tonzwisa kuti you guys munovhunzana mvunzo yakaita sei. Nandikwanisi ndinotobvunza kuti mabhava akaibai.
Unoona sorry, Andi ari kundibvunza like something onaisira hanzi kuma-comments hanzi B ativharira panze nanyasha. I don't know ndinyasha upi
Iwe
nyasha shito or
shamwari
whatever.
chitaura zvako grill this person for us. Otherwise we don't understand what we are supposed to do.
Why do you have to grill me like
We
that
want
much?
to know you.
Yeah, they just.
No, come on, you already know me.
I don't.
Now we
How
know
do you wanna
you.
know me?
Now we know you.
I don't.
Like you're a cool guy,
Okay,
you know.
me. I stay in Durban. If you wanna know more about me, I stay in Durban.
No, no, asirizo. Yes, but adzoka.
That's okay.
Muri kuita basa rekutizana. Yay!
No,
Don't
no,
give me
Vanessa
salad.
has already.
I didn't know ndo game remasalad. You drop. Yee, wona maglass angu avunika.
Yeah. This is saying you're feeling out of place, Panapa, for nothing.
Yeah, I'm just busy saying something that is not worth it.
Achapekeka sei iwaya maplastic avunika. Kuti uzovunika zvazvaita sei? Kuti vunikira pamasalad pakadai. Zvinotosoderepi?
But serious. Kambobvunzaka. Kana muchiti
masalad. Kana muchiti masalad. Tungotaura zvokungotaura izvozvizvi.
Chiera mofu.
Chiera.
Ndini ndanyora. I don't want to talk much. Mazino angu ari kurwadza. Ndini ndanyora kuti B ativharira panze.
Oh, sorry.
You have closed us outside, darling. You just said you're not single and you're not taken. So now we don't understand like where you stand. And I'm not about to enter somebody's space.
I can't.
But come on, girl. Why are you crushing me today like this? What?
No, we're not crushing you, darling.
No, it's
we're
like
not crushing
you.
you.
Just bumping,
we
you're
hardly
just bumping me today. You're just bumping me.
Bibi, rega ndiyekere ndibokata chihelele mapinda imi mukatanga kutaura chirungu nhasi zvaita sei?
Sharon, today there are English people here, so I'm speaking English. I'm not going to speak in Shona, and besides, what am I going to talk about? These people don't understand Shona. I mean, listen to them. They are colored. They've got colored backgrounds and white backgrounds. So speaking Shona is a non-starter here.
All right. Okay, let me tell you something, Chirele. Okay, I want you to understand something. My mother is a Zimbabwean. She's a pure black. My father is okay, whatever.
Yes, please.
Okay, whatever.
Wait. Shimira ndikati you be safe that answer for Team Shero chihelele mati muri kudaiziya panapa nhasi painterrogation yevanhu vaviri mukuda kusapota.
No, I just came to clarify that I'm the one who wrote Kuti B Ativarira Panzi. Yes, Jesus. That's all I came for. So I'm going back to my sleep.
Why should you go back?
Sharon is chasing me away.
No,
so I don't know what her problem is. She's chasing me away. She's closing me outside.
No, yes, Nas, I want to close you outside. I'll bring you back after Shero and the Team Shero. Because Team Shero, I know we are once in a blue moon boxum.
Yeah,
this person. Yes.
We were going to grill him, the two of us, because we understand English. You can wear your glasses, darling, in the corner there. We don't mind. You're the host. We don't mind. We'll grill him for you. Don't worry. Darling B, what size shoes do you wear?
Come on, why is it going that way? Do you want to
just
send me shoes?
asking. I'm just asking.
All right. Okay. Let me tell you. Okay. Hi, boo. Come on. It's too big. That's too big for me.
Uda kuti 5. Ukati 5 zvokutokurambama.
No.
Virtual slap.
I'll really say that you like I weigh size 7. Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad for
bad. For a guy,
a person
bad.
like me. Yeah.
That I've lifted my hand.
Simshero.
Ndachida kuclarify inanzi nakurira kumakarats and you see ameno vanhu vari kuti aiwa actually ndib ati hanzi I sound like ndakurira kumakarats inhangu yera chaiyo chasemunge ati ndakurira.
But do you know what? But inini I'm also what do you call it? Mofu ya mukono.
Are you really?
Takapaita mofu dzega panapa. Shero, bye. Shera, bye.
Yo, I got you.
Anzirora na iwe matongo. So anyway.
No, kama naye weiva unoziva mhofu iyoyo kokana yake ipinda nemudziva rekwaLimpopo imi yenyu ipinda nekudziva kwamukesi. Hai, munozivana chamunozivana ipapo chii chamunoda kutanga kuzivana nhasi. Hamutombozivani kana kuti birth certificate rake rakaterwa kupi. Kutoti my brother. How is he your brother? He is not your brother. Ndakamurambiswa ndaidanana nemumwe mukomana aiyera same totem nemi vanhu vomba kwedu vakaramba kuti azviite.
But I don't think in this day and age it works. I think, you know what, just do you. It doesn't work.
But I want to ask something. When you say a person like have a same totem with you, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is he a relative or he's not from wherever you come from or wherever? Do you think your father or your father or whatever, the grannies went and do something somewhere and they leave that chair somewhere and come here and do another one? Why do they have to you don't have to get married to these like
do you know that
goes
actually with our totem Miyakuti Chira Mofu, there are actually 2 types of elens. So for me it actually doesn't work because I don't know you don't know me. You're coming from Tare and I'm coming from Mrewa. Okay, let me say you're coming from Mashingo and I'm coming from Mrewa. We're not related. No, I don't know you don't know me. So what's the big deal? I know a lot of couples that actually share totems. For me, it doesn't work. This thing of don't marry the same totem, it doesn't work. I don't even think it works. You know, it's like, I don't know, maybe it's just one of those things that the old people wants to use just to try and put people apart, not to be like in love or whatever. But I think when people are in love, I don't think they have to be what do you have to go on a totem or what's your totem or whatever. Because it's like maybe like in whatever. I grew up with developed people and Ndlovu can marry Ndlovu. Ngube can marry Ngube. You know, that Emoyo can marry Emoyo.
I believe here, even in Zulu people, they do the same. They say
Zulu people do the same.
From whatever Zuma or something, you have to marry a person from Zuma. So why?
Yeah, they actually marry each other as cousins.
So why does it have to change like people from Zimbabwe?
Yeah. Shiro wakarambiswa munhu cha. Shero abvanyara Shero. Sweetie.
Ndikuchoka.
This girl.
This girl is too much.
Girl, you nasty.
Anonzi nditi Shero ndofarira mwari ndofarira I think ndofarira kumbono mumanya kandaenda kuZimbabwe ndofarira like majaki anozva vanhu vepa Blackpink neuyu zvekukorea zvezve like vanombopfeka like zvinenge zvizvi majaketi zvihombe so kana vadero manjeka vobva pfeka kuti tumatights mukati tudiki diki nemasneakers but ndozvifarira yes.
Yes, darling, rock it.
You see, I told you. She can rock it like a colored. She can rock it like a colored.
She rocks it like a colored chick, eh?
Yeah, you see? Come on, Chica.
Zvakanaka though maybe ukaona zvinokufita indozvideni zvakanaka even kuno kuma-students chaivo nyange tina matrips that's the way they wear majackets avo iwayo apanenge ane like zvinenge zvakaita zvimahwid zvanga zvine zvakanaka but vanonzofarira zvavo zvewhite
zvino Shero newhite hamufambirani kaime. Mningi wangu ndokuziva zvangu. Iwewe newhite hamupindirani.
Yellow, red, blue, ndo makala angu pink, light pink kind of.
Yeah. Red lipstick looks so nice on you, Shero.
Thank you. Akanda kuZimbabwe ndokungazvichaita.
Kuku Zimbabwe ndokuneiko. Ipapa you're looking nice with your red lipstick.
Hey.
Aiwa wakati ndina kunatsokuwana munhu anotigadzira zvese izvi zvine musoro wangu handi kuno kwandira anondiruka here
ndozviparira vedu wetsadzita wangu azviparira
everyday andozviparira anditoziva ndikangobata foni
sadaro sazita wangu please.
Anoruka vanhu vese muBangkok vese ukoko indada kurukwa ke
Sorry.
Handimborukwe because pane imwe twist isu yada kusvika ndichirukwa ndosaka zvandiita
ingoita marasta sesu samwe tiri marasta.
Baba vangu ava vakasvitaura kuti handidi kuzviona vakambogeresa imwe cousin yangu so usiku na 2 am vakamudza kuti kuda unogera havaidi handizive nei havana kutaura but vakati havaidi.
Chera.
Hello.
Greet the person next to you.
There's no one next to me, darling. There's no, like literally. I got pillows on the other side of my bed because I sleep across my bed, not like lengthwise. I sleep the other way.
Why?
So I got pillows I got like a million pillows on the other side of my bed. There's no one next to me, darling.
Are you
Yo.
Hello.
Ndine foni yati muchishera mekuti ivita sei?
Iri kufreezer. Iri kufreezer.
Uri kutaura but uri kutaura hausunzwi.
Ndimbobuda.
Ubuda uchiindepi zve?
Go and drink water and come back.
Ita exit ndise link udzoke uchitora link.
All right.
Drink water and come back.
Bigger. Ndakatenga king size bed for a reason. I bought a king size bed for a reason.
What was the reason?
So that I can sleep the other way. I don't like sleeping the normal way. I sleep the other way. So
but why do you have to do that?
Because I live alone. I'm alone, so it's nice.
Why do you ever live alone? Why do you ever live alone?
Who am I supposed to stay with? I stay alone, bruh. Joburg is dry of men. It's a desert out here.
I really believe that Joburg is full of good guys, with cheese, with power. I believe so.
The problem with me, I don't have much of a social life. I kind of like stick to myself. I stay at home. I love my blankets. I love my TV. I love my phone. So most of the times, why is B coming back twice? There's another B coming in.
There's another B
Okay.
down there.
There's another B.
There's another
So
B.
Joburg is dry, hey B. So I live alone. I tend to enjoy my own company. So hey,
Joburg
Don't
is.
worry, I'll send you some flowers down Joburg.
oh, thank you. That's so sweet.
I'll send you flowers.
Woo! Joburg is dry, Cheryl. Team Cheryl. Joburg is dry, like a desert, bruh.
You're kidding.
And the funny thing is, I actually stay in Sandton.
Yeah.
And I don't know. All I see is gay people.
No.
Oh my God.
I would think we're mostly gay people.
Sandton has got gay people, darling.
Even here in KZN, yo, I tell you what, here in Durban, sure, you can
it's
tell.
mostly gay people.
Change of topic.
Yeah, they can.
And that's
but we're just talking more about, that I guess it reduces your
chances.
Yeah. Because you are.
Don't know. Okay, we can say. Cheryl said, change your topic. So let's not talk about gays.
Topic. We weren't talking about it in a judgmental way. We're just saying.
Yeah, we just talking like where they are.
General
more
conversation.
and where they are not.
I know the reason why in that day.
Okay.
Yes, madam Cheryl.
Yes. Continue.
Okay, so I'll send flowers in Joburg, ne?
In Canada.
Oh, thank you, darling. I was actually planning on coming to Durban. I need to go out and do something.
Ooh.
I need to go out in
Boat
general.
cruise.
I need to go to Durban.
Boat
I need to go to
cruise.
Durban or Cape Town for anything. I'm stuck here in Joburg for too many months.
We'll go for boat cruise. Then we'll take a video to send it to Cheryl.
We'll do a live on Shema TV.
Yeah, we'll do it live on Shema TV.
We'll do a live.
Ndinoenda kunonzi kuchi ndoenda kunonzi kuchi kwaziterako kuVictoria Falls.
Oh
yeah, Victoria Falls is actually nice.
Chero is dying to go to Victoria Falls, Mufunge.
Yes, ndega or not, ndiri
Let's
kukuyenda.
say you've never been there, Sharon.
Yes.
Chero, we need to get you to Victoria Falls.
Get me there, please.
But really, if you
29 March.
29 March.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll take you out for
get together
for a holiday.
Together we can.
Right now, ndinenge ndiriko kuZimbabwe. I don't know kuti ndichazvifambisa sei, but ndinenge ndiriko kuti maybe ndichamboendawo out nema brothers angu namai angu nababa for the first time. Tomboenda somewhere.
Yeah.
See family.
That would be very.
But you do know kuti Victoria Falls inoita zvema chalets where you can rent a house inenge ine I think about 3 bedrooms or something like that, and it's actually cheaper to rent ma chalets go Vic Falls.
Ndise ausika tasvika time yacho ndi pamwe ndida kuenda but pamwe ndisina mari.
Go find Cheryl.
Oh, never. No, we said no. No. Munondibudisisa pauyuka. Munondibudisisa pa ndinda kugofa ndiye kuenda kutripi. Kana vatari kutwisa kuti wakatwa gofa handi takatompa mari yekuti kwaida kuonererwa nako tipi iyoyo ari kuda kutoshambisira nayo achiti imari dzedu dzatakamitira gofa handi.
But Shero, you can easily go for Vic Falls for free. Chala chokwadi. Do you know
For
how
free.
to do it? Let me tell you what you could do. Maybe not entirely free, right? But the thing is, we have such a big platform that companies would want to market using your platform. Sort of like, I think Madam Boss has done a thing ku Vic Falls, and she stayed at some accommodation, and her payment was marketing to her followers.
Mira iwo chichiyoga unenge unoziva zvakawanda strike zvemaselebhu chimira kutaura maselebhu mazita anozofungwa kuti taitoataura unoziva.
Okay, all right.
Ine inozoya kwandiri.
Please on mute.
Celebrities in Zimbabwe, they have we can learn some lessons from them. So a certain celebrity, I've seen some of them advertising hotels and going to stay there for free, and the way that they pay is through marketing to their followers. So I think you have a big enough platform that you can say Nasin Juku record a video or Elephant Hills Hotel. Blah blah blah.
But how do you know kuti ndo zvavakaita?
I don't know. You're right. That's a good question. I'm not sure. But for sure. I mean, like, it's obvious. I don't think that. I know certain celebrities have said kuti joni business redu ndere kuti joni kuti ubude pa platform pangu unofana ubhadala anditi. So I think pani celebrity akatobuditsa ma rates ake kuti Instagram post ndinocharge yakati ningi ndinocharge yakati and stuff. And if you look at it, it's a win-win situation. Iwe une ma followers, iwe varuda kumarket or business ravo. Saka is just coming to negotiate kuti tino benefit and say.
When the right time comes, zvichaita zvazvo.
I'm very excited for you, honestly. Teta kutarisa kuti we're the OG. Usazotikangarwe.
Jesus. Ndokutongana ndine following ini ndikutotatarikawo kutiona ti maviewers chamwari zviri kutondinetsawo chamwari. I'm struggling. I'm still down there, sha. It's difficult. It's not easy.
Yeah, I know, but I want to tell you today that you're doing such a great job. You've done really, really well for yourself. You've been consistent in producing content. Your following grows day by day. And I'm sure you have days where you feel down, like as you famba, as you say, but honestly, I think it's easy to be, you know your goals. You say, I think it's and maybe because it's such issues, but as you're doing such a phenomenal job, and I think keep going. Don't be discouraged, and trust me. One day, mark my words. One day, send out to chaga video. Don't see
manje unozoiziva kuti ndeipere.
Ndototsvaga kusvika ndiwani chete.
Aisiwanika, is about 3 or 4. Wakambotaura pateam Moza ndomaziya wakataura pateam Moza ukazotaura the other one yakapisa saka wataura iyi nhasi futi. Ndomaziya mavideos avo.
Ini nangu ndo usingazivi Shero. I talk so much.
Ndomaziva iwo wakataura nyaya yeuyu yemuchato yedhama repamuchato tikabva ukatombotaura futi imwe yekuwekera yekumaraini kwenyu yevanhu taitaura nyaya yekubirwa wati dzakawandisa tikataura futi nyaya dzekujoni yekushanda mudzimba iyoiya tichiita sei dzakawandisa.
I remember nyaya yekubirwa ndakazoona hanguyu chachimunya Kumbe right here. Kumbe is such a great guy.
Kumbariko but busy manje. Izvi zviri occupied nema projects.
All right. He's such a lovely
Hi,
guy.
B.
I just remember Joburg and just how that Shakam affect meant like I'm not very Joburg, Murugujita say I'm so scared of Joburg.
You know what? Joburg, you just tend to live each day as it comes. Because I was in Rosebank the other day, and someone tried to grab my phone from me. And I was in such a place where I thought I was actually safe because I was actually like waiting for Uber, and I had my phone in my hand because I was checking like where is he, and somebody tried to grab my phone from my hand. Someone was dressed like in a suit. You wouldn't think that he's a thief. And it was almost like a grab and drive off. There was someone driving along the road, and he was walking on the pavement.
Sorry. Nyaya dzako dzonakidza uchinyatsotaura neshona sha. Why are you changing
Alright.
today?
Chirega ndichitaura pachishona chaipo. Shero warwadziwa chiri muchako mujamba data bundle.
Come on, Shero. Come on.
Nesina kana kadhati sha. Vanozvinzwa baba. Unoizviyekera waibuda ndobva munhu anga akapfeka svutu ndobva aita sei?
Anga akasuka nemudzipa nyota Shero.
Yo. Yeah. But why?
Ndobva ati ndipe foni ndobva adi.
Aiwa nakutomboti ndipe foni because ndandakabata foni mumaoko and ndandakatorelaxa zviya zvekuti handisati ndakambonzwa munhu anobirwa like in Rosebank. Handisati ndakambonzwa munhu anobirwa like in places like Santin Square. Saka ndakatomira paRosebank Mall, ndakatomirira Uber, and I was on the like pavement. Akatongofamba achiuya kwandiri, and places like Rosebank, Santin kunogara kuine varume vanenge vakapfeka masutu, mabusiness what vanenge vachienda kumabusiness meeting or whatever. Saka ndakatongosumudza musoro ndikamuona ndikati just another random person. Handina kurealize kuti mupesi uyu ari kutosvedera kuuya kwandiri. Ndobva aedza kudhonza foni yangu. Unfortunately foni yangu ine chihuku at the back. Saka ndakatoisa chigunwe mukati mehuku iyoyo. Saka iye paakaedza kudhonza foni yangu indakaramba ndakabatirira pachihuku chefoni yangu. Ndokuti and I think akatorealize kuti apa ndatodi ndanyura. Ndobva atopinda mota yanga ichipfuura paroad. Vakatodriva vakaenda. Zvekutoti I think it's something chavari kutoita.
Very bad.
Yeah.
And they know, and vanotoziva kuti in places like that vanhu tinorelaxa. Tinotorelaxa zviya zvekuti unozviudza kuti I'm in a safe zone. But Joburg is dangerous anyway right now.
Yeah.
COVID has made it worse.
Yeah, COVID has made it worse. Be ari pamute. Ameno zvari kutaura, but ari pamute.
Be on mute.
Okay. No. No. I just said it. That it's like
but 2 minutes
aibo to go away. Hakuna.
Kuno kudza 2 a.m. unoziva
3 p.m.
Nay.
Yeah.
We're about 2 a.m. We're about 2 a.m.
It's 3 p.m. here. It's still in the afternoon.
Tim Shero, where are you?
Where about you say you are?
Canada.
Canada.
Shero wanzwei. Chema wazvidzwira zvake ega.
Anzwei Shero.
Ameno zvanzwa zvari kusekari yega mukono.
Kanzwa sekuti muda kuindepi izvozvi muchiti 2 a.m. ndozvana ndichifunga kuti ndozvaataura. Saka ndobva ndaramba ndichinzwa kuti where about kupi 2 a.m. kuri kunzi 2 a.m. asi tozvakutaura ndizvo ka interpretation. Thailand, that's the way about.
I can't. It is too much.
Muda kuenda kupi kwamuda kuenda izvozvi. Saka ndazoti
Shero, you just a day maker, you see. You are just a day maker. If a person didn't want to laugh, anotopedzera arara misodzi chingobuda nekuseka. You're just a day maker, man. Yo, you're too much.
What it
is? Shero. This year, actually, I'd planned kuya to Thailand.
Really?
April. I wanted to go for my birthday to PP Island.
Cool.
Yeah. But I'm with a tourist. But I love Thai food. Thai food is my favorite. No, I'm not facing it. Pad Thai.
Jesus, you eat that?
I love Pad Thai. I love Thai food. Like the spring rolls are delicious. The curries, green curry, red curry, so good. I'll find it carry out. The fried rice.
And this is the Thai food.
The Thai fried rice.
And yes, this is spicy one.
Oh, wow, this is spicy.
And this is my spice. And tofa no which got my spices. The problem I'm do.
Like when I went to Durban, I love the bani chow. Love the bani chow in Durban. It's super spicy.
You never come to Durban. When did you come to Durban? When did you come to Durban?
Last year in August for my friend's wedding.
Wow.
Yeah, so we had bani chow.
What about in Durban?
I think it's called umhlanga.
Oh yes, just like umhlanga. It's about I think it's about 15 minutes from where I stay.
Okay.
So you were close,
Yeah,
Chick. Why? What happened?
I don't know. I didn't know her.
I visited South Africa last year in August for a month with my Canadian friends. And so we went to Joburg, but Joburg was mostly like a transit. So from Joburg, we went to Kruger to do the safari stuff, and then drove back to Joburg. Tagaita that route, the panorama route. Then from Joburg, we went to Cape Town. Then went Cape Town for some couple of days, then flew back to Joburg, and then I went to Durban for my friend's wedding, and that's when I had my bani chow, which is in Joburg. I had the quota.
You see, funnily enough, I've stayed in Joburg for almost 10 years, and I've never eaten a quarter.
You're joking.
I'm serious. I have no interest
I've been in
whatsoever.
Joburg 20. That thing is so nice. I had it when I was in Joburg. That was 2015. It's so good.
It makes you what?
Fat.
Oh, okay. So maybe that's why I've never eaten
true.
it.
Makes
because I don't need to gain any more kgs as it is.
Girl,
because you already at 80 120.
But yeah,
no. Hey. I've never reached 120. Don't wish you.
All right,
guys.
Somebody's network is not good.
Chirega ndikutaudze neshona mwana wamai angu. Yes, Shero.
Ndakunda 2 hours ndakuda kuenda unovata totamba mangwana.
Shero, ndafara nekukona, ndafara nekutaura newe nhasi. Tozoonana
kana neniwo ndafara kutaura nemese tionana mangwana guys.
Shero, can I ask you something before you go? Not Team Shero, Shema. Mahudi ako ese maheti anodhamba chuya kumberi.
Kudaiwo ndo madhonza kudaiwo so.
Yeah, she keeps pulling.
She keeps pulling them. I don't know why.
She keeps I don't know. Then she for a face young.
ndakaona even wangu wakapfeka nezuro yanga ichikodhonzwa ichiuya peni
ese ndozvaatori anenge achingundire chingodaiwo so saka anatinga anozotora shepi yekudaiwo so timaheti kwangu hameno futi zvandotuiteita.
All right, guys. Good night. Good night, Shema. Good night, B.
Good night, guys.
I'm waiting for my flowers.
Like 2 hours. Flower night.
Just WhatsApp me, then I'll send it over. Ne? I'll send it over.
No, he can.
Shema,
don't
look
be
so
for me
jealous.
Inbox kwangu.
Where? Ndinoda kuvata munonopedzerana kuti mozopanana sei maflowers kuseri. Anita kuti zvone kuseri munonoona
inbox me ku Facebook yakanzi Chera Mhofukadzi. Inbox me. Sisi vane godo ava vatete vangu vane godo.
Ndosaka ndati inde munopedzerana kuseri mochinjana mauyu mopanana mafacebook acho motaura. Hanzi Mhofukadzi Chera ndo Facebook name. Hatoboni kuti vanozouya kuseri vanhu mwakutibvunza munhu wese
yakanzi Chera Mhofukadzi.
Andisi kunzwa yakanzi chini?
Chera Mhofukadzi.
Okay, sure.
Good night, Shero.
Good night, Shero. Good night, Shero.
Shero unoziva kuti unondirarisa mazino angu achirwadza zvisingamboiti. Imosva 2 days now.
Dada ndana senda message ka yiri kuita back up zvatongondibhoona. Good night, ndakuvata neniwo 2 a.m. guys. Good night, see you.
Good night.
Good night.